Stop running, Monami, or you will get hurt. What happened?
That bee.
Oh, is that bit troubling you?
Yes, miss.
Don't worry, I will get rid of it. Don't worry. Are you okay now?
Yes, miss.
Are you all right?
Yes, miss.
Hello children, welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami.
Hello, friends.
Today we will learn about letter Z, the last letter of the English alphabet. Don't worry, Monami, don't worry. That is the sound of letter Z. Yes, that is the sound of letter Z.
Letter Z?
Yes. So let's start. This is an uppercase Z. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase Z.
And this is a lowercase z. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase z.
Yes. As you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter Z is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, let us hear the story of Grandpa and his zebra. Grandpa had a zebra named Zaid. Zaid loved to eat jams. One day, Zaid saw that Grandpa was eating a red jam from a small glass bottle. In the afternoon, when Grandpa went to the market to buy zucchini for his dinner, Zaid sneaked into Grandpa's room. He took the small glass bottle from the table and ate all the red gems. As Grandpa returned from the market, he saw the small glass bottle was empty and he was stunned. He heard a buzzing sound coming from the garden. Zzz. He saw Zaid was standing near the fence and the sound was coming from his stomach.
What happened to Zaid?
Zzz, 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 zzz. Sorry, Grandpa. I have eaten all the red gems from the small glass bottle. Now my stomach is aching very badly and making this buzzing sound.
Oh, you foolish boy. You should not have eaten all my vitamin zinc tablets. Now I must take you to the vet at the zoo.
Grandpa took Zaid in his Zenova car through the zigzag road and finally reached the vet's clinic at the zoo. There, the doctor gave Zaid one big injection in his tummy. In the evening, Zaid was feeling much better. He promised Grandpa that he would not be mischievous again. Grandpa was pleased and gave him some zucchini salad to eat.
The sound of letter Z is like the bee.
Yes, the buzzing sound. So now let us sing about the sound of letter Z. Z is a consonant, it has a sound. Z is a consonant, it has a sound.
Z is a consonant, it has a sound. Z is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the Z sound. Z, 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 z.
Let us see the Z sound. Z, 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 z.
Z as in zero, Z as in zebra, Z as in zucchini.
Z as in zero, Z as in zebra, Z as in zucchini.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
Z is a consonant, it has a sound. Z is a consonant, it has a sound.
Z is a consonant, it has a sound. Z is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the Z sound. Z, 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 z.
Let us see the Z sound. Z,
Z, z, z. Z as in zoo, Z as in zipper, Z as in zigzag.
Z as in zoo, Z as in zipper, Z as in zigzag.
Isn't it fun?
It's great to learn.
So now let us revise. What is the sound of letter Z?
Z. Z as in zoo, Z as in zebra.
Yes. So children, see you in our next class. Till then, bye.
Friends, I'm a little confused. I don't know whether it is letter C or B which is making this buzzing sound. Friends, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.